Prepare to transcend the ordinary as we unlock the secrets to crafting truly transporting progressive trance. Today, Dreamworld is going to guide you through building an ethereal soundscape, starting with the foundation of our progressive trance track, a solid kick drum and a subtle, evolving bass line. We'll select a punchy but not overpowering kick, ensuring it sits perfectly in the mix without muddying the low end. For the bass, think a rounded sine wave, subtly modulated, pulsating on the offbeats to create that signature hypnotic groove that defines progressive trance. Next, we delve into the heart of immersion, the arpeggio. We'll choose a bright, clear synth sound, perhaps with a touch of chorus and delay, and craft a fast, repeating pattern that evolves slowly. This arpeggio will be the driving force, drawing listeners deeper into the sonic journey. Now, let's introduce the emotional core, and uplifting melody. We'll use a warm, rich synth, focusing on simple, evocative phrases that build and release tension. Think open intervals and long, sustained notes that create a sense of wonder and euphoria, lifting the listener to new heights. To truly transport, we need atmosphere. We'll add evolving pads, subtle atmospheric textures, and spacious reverb to create that dreamy, panoramic feel. Every element should contribute to a vast, immersive soundscape, making the listener feel like they've stepped into another dimension. By carefully layering these elements, focusing on subtle evolution and emotional impact, you can craft your own ethereal progressive trance experience that truly takes listeners on an unforgettable journey.